2024 Best Motorcycle for Beginners Honda CB500X. In the dynamic world of motorcycles, the 2024 Honda CB500X emerges as a versatile and adventure-ready option, standing out as one of the best motorcycles for beginners. This motorcycle seamlessly combines Honda's legendary engineering with a design that encourages exploration and caters to the needs of novice riders looking to embark on their two-wheel journey. In 2024, the CB500X continues to captivate riders globally, embodying Honda's commitment to accessible performance, confidence building, and the sheer joy of motorcycling. 1. Adventure-ready design. The Honda CB500X boasts an adventure-ready design that sets it apart from traditional entry-level motorcycles. With a tall windscreen, upright riding position, and a big-style front fender, the CB500X exudes a sense of rugged capability, inspiring riders to venture beyond the city streets. Honda's commitment to a versatile design ensures that the CB500X not only delivers a visually appealing riding experience but also stands as a testament to the adventurous side of motorcycling. 2. Efficient parallel twin engine for versatile performance. At the heart of the CB500X lies a reliable 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, offering a perfect balance of accessible power and versatile performance. Honda's engine design prioritizes smooth power delivery and fuel efficiency, making it an ideal choice for novice riders eager to experience both urban commuting and adventure touring. The CB500X's engine provides ample power for city cruising, long-distance touring, and light off-road exploration, offering a platform for riders to embrace the varied facets of motorcycling. 3. Nimble handling and adventure-tuned suspension. Designed for nimble handling, the Honda CB500X features a lightweight chassis and adventure-tuned suspension that contribute to its responsive and agile characteristics. The bike's balanced geometry and adaptable suspension make it easy for beginners to confidently navigate through city traffic, tackle diverse road conditions, and experience the thrill of motorcycling dynamics. The CB500X's nimble nature enhances its approachability, allowing riders to comfortably develop their skills and savor the excitement of versatile rides. 4. Comfortable seating and rider-friendly ergonomics. Crafted for comfortable riding, the CB500X features a rider-friendly ergonomic setup. The adventure-oriented bike offers an upright and commanding seating position, mid-mounted foot controls, and a well-designed riding posture, ensuring riders can enjoy extended journeys without discomfort. Honda's commitment to rider comfort makes the CB500X not only a versatile option but also a practical and enjoyable companion for daily commuting, weekend getaways, and exploration beyond the beaten path. 5. Integration of adventure-focused features. The 2024 CB500X seamlessly integrates adventure-focused features to enhance the overall riding experience. These include a tall windscreen for wind protection, long travel suspension for off-road capability, and a comfortable and roomy seat for extended rides. Honda ensures that the CB500X remains a versatile and adventure-ready choice, appealing to riders who seek a motorcycle that effortlessly transitions from city streets to backcountry roads. Conclusion. The 2024 Honda CB500X stands as a global icon of entry-level adventure excellence, securing its position as one of the best motorcycles for beginners. Its adventure-ready design, efficient parallel twin engine, nimble handling, comfortable ergonomics, and integration of adventure-focused features make it an unrivaled choice for novice riders venturing into the world of high-performance motorcycling with a taste for adventure. Whether mastering the basics, embarking on long-distance journeys, or exploring diverse landscapes, the CB500X encapsulates the spirit of Honda's dedication to crafting motorcycles that redefine the boundaries of accessible adventure